Hi everyone, and happy Tuesday. We're here with another tip this week to make your life a little easier and to help your students out as well. So the extension that I'm going to show you this week is called Split Tabs. Split Tabs. The icon looks just like this, and once again, if you want that, you just go into the Chrome Web Store and search Split Tabs and install that into your Chrome browser, and you'll be good to go. It's going to pop right up here on the top for you. So this one this week is called Split Tabs, and this one we know how we can separate tabs into different places, but this one it actually makes it really easy to split multiple tabs. So let's say that your kids have open maybe 3 or 4 tabs at a time. If they go up to Split Tabs, they click on that, you have a few different options here. So you can do the 2x2, the 2x1, and there's a few different options in there as well. Or you could do your own. You could set up your own as well. So totally up to you, however you want to do it. I'm going to show you the 2x2. So I'm going to click on that. It takes all the open tabs that I have, and it puts them into separate tabs. So nicely, neatly, it has all 4 of them there at one time. So for example, this one I was working on in Google Doc, and over here we have some information, an article about ocean habitats. Down here we have some pictures, and then down here we have another website open that may help us with our research as well. So easily for students, sometimes it is a little tricky, right, to have, especially on Chromebooks because the screens are a little bit smaller, to have those split screens. But this kind of, it's easy for the kids to separate and easy for the kids to have multiple tabs open at one time. So hopefully this one helps. I hope it helps you, and I hope it helps your students out as well. Once again, this one is called Split Tabs, which you can get in the Google Chrome Web Store. All right, we'll see you next Tuesday. Thanks.